Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin. I have got a Honcho Wholesale box. I do have a promo code for Honcho Wholesale. It is hooked. I believe it's hooked or hooked 10. I will look that up and make sure. But I have a promo code. It's actually in the link down in the description if you'd like to buy from Honcho Wholesale. But this is a clothing box that I spent $159.75 on. So basically $160, shipped it for $30, and then it has 25 shelf pulls of fall and winter women's clothing. So I'm excited to see, is it women's, is it juniors? Hoping it's mostly women's because I can sell that a lot better. So let's see what's inside.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so that promo code is HOOKED, H-O-O-K-E-D. You get $15 off anything you buy from Honcho Wholesale. So definitely use that promo code. No matter how many times you buy, you can get that $15 off. So that's kind of nice. There's no limit on first-time buyers or how much you spend, all that stuff. So 15 bucks off. Might as well get that, right? All right, so this just says that it is, women's high-end apparel, primarily fall and winter. The MSRP is just shy of $1,900, so it's $1,888.45. So just shy of $1,900 for everything in this box. So we're going to pull these items out, lay them on the table, and let you look at them all. All right, what is this? This is a size petite medium. Looks like it's a dress. Really cute dress. Look at that fun ruffles there. Ruffles there. That's a neat detail. So it's a straight dress, petite medium, red and black.
What's the brand?
It is a Michael Kors. The original retail price on this was $110. Take it, huh? This is the back.
I might get 30, maybe.
Yeah, maybe 30 bucks out of this. All right, then we're going to pull this out. This is a Calvin Klein 10 petite. Calvin Klein, kind of a peplum jacket there. Wow, that's sharp looking, but I hope it's not making the camera go bonkers because it does have a lot of the stripes. Making my eyes go a little, just lots of. It looks like a solid from far away though. Yep, and it looks like it's just like that all the way across the back too. That's a sharp looking jacket.
A nice holiday jacket.
Oh yeah. Well, I'd wear that any time of the year, but yeah, it'd be perfect right now. Then we have this awesome, look at that, pink and orange paisley shirt, Tommy Hilfiger, gold buttons. It is a 2X. That's a sharp looking shirt. This is a women's shirt. It's got the 3/4 sleeve tie up if you want to use it. But it is a long sleeve if you just want it to be long sleeve. You just unbutton this here. And it'll be a long sleeve. That's a sharp looking shirt.
How much is the retail on these?
The retail on this one is $89.50. The previous one, where's the tag on that one? There it is. The previous one, the retail is $149. So I'd say we've got some high-end shelf pulls here, all with tags on so far. All right, let's pull this one out. Woo, these are perfect pants for the holidays. Look at those. They're kind of a burgundy and green. I mean, you can wear them any time of the year, but they're definitely perfect now. It's got a real fun tie. They're Vince Camutos, size 10. Original retail price, I don't see one. I think they ripped it off on the sticker. But Vince Camuto usually runs pretty high end. So, and it looks like it's just a straight leg pant with a little cuff at the bottom. Nice dress pants. Those are fun. All right, then we've got a black top cardigan. Ooh, yeah, it is a cardigan with a leather, kind of a faux leather. I don't know if it's real leather or faux leather. It's Kesper, a petite large. It says that it is a silver, it's called Silver Streak is the style, I guess. $89 original retail price on this. So, see the kind of the leather look there? It's going to kind of hold it up so you see how it hangs. So it is a basically a cardigan shirt with an open front drape there, petite large, but it's a longer I don't think it matters if you're petite. These are 3/4 length sleeves as well. All right, then we have another black top. Maybe? Dress? Top dress. All right, this is an extra, extra large international concept. Looks like a draped black top. Let's see.
Call it a deep V.
This one is supposed to fit with a camisole underneath. So very comfy, very soft. Original retail price is $44 on this international concept. Extra, extra large. Then, I love the pattern on this. Okay, how am I holding this? Help. Okay, so it's like got a really high neckline on it. Little peephole here. This is the neck, like goes right around your neck. And then it's got kind of these ruffled.
Probably a very small size.
Yeah, let me look and see. It says that it is extra small. So then here's the back. But it's basically a sleeveless except for this ruffle on it. And this is a Maracino for guests. Original retail price is $98 on that. Okay, we actually sell boxes of 5 shirts at a time, and we do a lot of times bundle the smaller stuff because we can't sell them individually on the Poshmark store. So check out our Hooked on Pickin store, and you might be able to find some extra smalls, petites, things like that. We do occasionally have the large ones, but we sell 5 clothing articles, which averages out to be about $3 a piece for those.
They go real fast.
Yes, they do. Extra large, Tommy Hilfiger, sleeveless, hooded sleeveless tank. Tommy Hilfiger. So this one is an extra large. And the back is just plain. Very comfy and casual.
Christmassy, but
It does. That's a fun shirt.
could work for the 4th of July too.
You could wear it all year round if you just like the color red. Here is an extra small $70 original retail price dress. Sorry, I'm trying to hold on to it. There we go. Okay. It's got a little tie there, and it's got sleeveless, little V-neck, ruffles at the bottom, nice floral print, and then it's just plain on the back. So it's got this fun little tie at your neck, so you can do a little bow here up by your neck. Then we've got a jumper. No, I thought it was a jumper. This is a dress, extra, extra small, Michael Kors. Even though it's an extra small, it's a Michael Kors. So the likelihood for me to sell this is much higher than a traditional extra small. If it was just a styling company extra small, probably not, unless it had some cute pattern on it. But this one has a cute pattern, and it's Michael Kors, which means it's probably going to be one that I'll try to sell on Poshmark. But cute little, it's all very stretchy too, so it's going to fit whoever wears it.
Some of these that are fire sale.
Yeah, we could try this fire sale. Also, if you like these and they're your size, feel free to contact me, because a lot of times I don't know where to put some of these sizes, but if it's your size, let me know, because I'd be glad to either put it on the fire sale or make it available to you. This is a 1X, really nice, beautiful top. Look at that. Got a couple of different layers in there. So it kind of has a snakeskin print with a floral. I would have never thought to put that together, but it looks really nice the way they did that. So this is an extra large, long sleeve. It's got a button cuff, so it's not real poofy on you, but nice sheer, but it's lined here. Oh, I think it's coming. Well, that's just an extra string that can be snipped. I thought it was a hole, but it is not. All right. Oops. All right, then we've got some loungy pants, OX kind of yoga pants. So Tommy Hilfiger got a red stripe down both legs. And these are OX, which is equivalent to an extra small. Then we have, this is Ralph Lauren. Original retail price, $45, size large. Cuffs on the sleeves. Just a really nice soft shirt. It's got kind of a velvety black here, so it's not just a plain white shirt. It's got a little bit of extra detail, which gives it a little bit of interest. Then we've got, what is this? A CC size 12 dress. Cute little collar on it. Just a plain black dress. If I can hold it right, sorry. Just lay it down. Nice A-line style dress with a natural waist, short sleeves, and a cute little V-neck with this cute collar on it. So I like this little detail in here where it's got the stitching here and along the waist. It's going to nip you right at the smallest part of your waist for a size 12 dress. And black is always flattering, right? Us ladies know that. Okay, here's a Mason Jewels size medium red shirt. Kind of a longer length shirt. And then we've got a Mason Jewels extra small gray shirt. Then we have a Mason Jewels yellow shirt. This one is a small. And while we're on the Mason Jewels train, let's just do one more here. A kind of a lavender purple, which is a size medium. This one's a V-neck, though, with a pocket. So that one's a little bit different. And then we've got, looks like a camisole tank top. Kind of a dressy one. Okay, that's the back. Yes, sorry. The back is straight. And then the front has a V-neck with some buttons. I don't know if you can tell, but there's buttons all the way down. This is a size small. Original retail price is $40 on that. Really nice pattern. That'd be good underneath you know, a cardigan, or like some of those deep V shirts we saw. That'd be a good undershirt. Here's a Mason Jewels purple cardigan, size large. It's got some fun pockets in it. So here's your pockets, kind of a smock style pocket, draped. So this is a size large Mason Jewels. And then we've got, what is this? This is a extra small top with some sparkle, sheer sleeves. So this probably would end up in one of my boxes that I sell on Hooked on Pickin, just simply because, you know, most people that buy off my Poshmark store don't buy the extra small. Although, if you have a child that is looking for longer shirts, I always suggest when they're 10, 11, 12 years old, jump to the women's sizes, because you're going to find that the torso is much longer. So my daughter, who is 10, actually fits much better in a size small women's than she does the extra large and girls section because of the length of the clothes. So that's just a tip from a mom if you're frustrated with very short clothes. Ooh, very nice pair of dress pants. Comes with a belt that looks like you can tie. The belt kind of came out. These are Calvin Klein size 4 black dress pants. And the original retail price on these, hold on, I just saw the tag. They have pockets, real nice pockets here. I don't know what happened to my tag. Sorry. We'll just leave it laid out here. This does not have back pockets, so they're really nice sharp dress pants. They are a straight leg. They're not tapered really. So those are a nice pair of Calvin Klein size 4. And this is a pair of size 18 Ralph Lauren navy blue dress pants. So it looks like they're just regular, looks like they're skinny leg. They kind of taper a little bit. They look like that. Original retail price on these are $89.50. Again, they're a size 18 Ralph Lauren pair of navy blue dress pants. Then we've got, ooh, this is a really soft structured dress. Petite medium. Original retail price is $140. Look at that. It's a blue sleeveless. It's going to nip you in at the waist because of this, and it's an A-line style, so it's going to be very flattering. Not too deep of a V, but it's got gold and navy blue. It is a Michael Kors, yes. That's a gorgeous dress. Size petite medium. And it's got a lining on the inside, so it's going to fit very comfortable. It's not going to show all those rolls around the midsection, ladies, because of that extra layer of lining. So it's going to fit. Look at this one. It's Anne Klein. Whew. A lot of picks in this one, though. Look at that. So I probably would not resell this one. Just, I mean, it's a really cool shirt, but too many picks. So this one is actually a medium. So it's an Ann Klein, probably meant to be baggy, probably making the camera go a little bit bonkers because of the stripes. So I'm going to set it to the side. That actually is it. So those are the 25 items in the Honcho Wholesale box. If you're interested in any of those, just let me know. And hopefully it's been fun to watch me unbox this Honcho Wholesale box. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing for Honcho Wholesale. If you would like to buy from Honcho Wholesale, don't forget you can get 15 bucks off anytime you buy, no matter the amount. So check the link in the description below. But if you want to use that promo code, just go to Honcho Wholesale and you can use the promo code HOOKED, HOOKED, and get 15 bucks off just because you found out about them here on my channel. It's super awesome. If you want to buy some of those clothing boxes that I sell, 5 shirts or 2 pair of pants, go ahead and go to hookedonpickin.com and you can buy them there.